I think on DXY, the price will try to make this third touch around here, or maybe an override around here, coming from here down here, maybe an override or making a third touch before coming back down. And if this happens on this idea, that means Euro USD, pounds USD will be flying downwards. Hence, I'm on a sell on pounds USD, like you have all seen. I'm here on pounds USD. Can you see that? And I believe that this was also an override here. 1, 2, the third touch, an override happened here, and this price, once this happened, is aggressive to the downside. Once you have an override refusing to make the third touch, it's an exclusive, aggressive movement to the opposite direction. So I expect this price to fall back down somewhere around here before going back. Join me on Telegram at Trade Made Easy. Okay, you can join me there, and this is it here, Trade Made Easy. Follow me on Instagram, and on Telegram you can as well do the same thing. Chat with me directly at FXTMO Funded or Trading Made Easy. Thank you and God bless. I think that's that. I'm expecting this price to fall on pounds USD because of this override here. It couldn't go all up here, so once this happened, it's a total plunge to the downside. I'm expecting this to happen, and I can see it clearly. This concept has helped me pass so many challenges and also verification stages for a lot of people, and as well myself, and it's been amazing. I expect this price to plunge down, and it's going to do that. Watch and see. Price is at what? Price is at price is here at price is at 1314. See, it's going down. We are going to see more plunge to the downside. Take this low here off, and we good. Okay, let's keep watching. People who are on the free group there on Telegram, they're also doing the same, and they're on profit. You can see how it's plunging, and that's how it goes, friends. So please, let's do this and keep helping others freely. Thank you.